What if I told you that you can earn $10K a month from YouTube automation channel leveraging AI tools, that also for free of cost? Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. I am your host Shayan and I have made over $80,000 from different online networks. Now in this little video, I'm going to share some secret strategies that actually work in recent times, and the best part, I'm going to cover you up with a step-by-step tutorial on how you can automate your YouTube channel to make around $10K per month by leveraging free AI tools. Now, I'm going to break down it all, like the niche, the kind of video that you need to produce, the tools that you need to produce exactly similar videos. I'm also going to show you the channels on those niches that are actually making money. And I'm also going to share you the proof that this strategy works 100%. Now, even if you have a channel in any niche, this will work for you. I'm going to create a series of tutorials in where I'm going to decode one niche at a video. So let's start this series. And today is the first niche that we are going to decode, which is psychology, affirmation, and manifestation niche, right? And we are going to identify the channel. We are going to spot out the kind of video that we need to produce. And I'll show you the exact tool set that you need to create exactly similar videos so that you can make $10K a month by automating your YouTube channel. Also, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from other sources as well without depending on AdSense. Because to get started with AdSense, you need to have a certain followers and watch time, which actually takes a little time. But I'm going to also show you a method in which you can monetize almost instantly. So with that being said, let's actually dive over to my laptop and let's start the tutorial. But before that, if you have not subscribed to me as yet, please go ahead and do that because that's absolutely free to do. And also you are going to get notified about the upcoming tutorials on this series as well as other tutorials that I have. So with that being said, let's jump over to my laptop and let's start. So welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to decode a step-by-step process in which you can automate your YouTube channel by leveraging AI tools to make around $10K a month. So the first thing that I have told you is the niche. So currently in this video, we are going to actually focus on the niche of psychology, affirmation, and manifestation. And in here, we have found out a channel called Brainy Dose, as you can see over here. So it has got a ton of views, as you can see, 286 million. And on the last 30 days, it has received over 854K views. That also by uploading only 5 videos a month. That means 1 video a week nearly, right? Now to know what this channel is earning, let's head over to our first AI tool, which is called Social Blade. Now in here, as you can see, I'm within Social Blade. It's absolutely free to use. You can just go over to socialblade.com and in here you need to choose YouTube, right? It works with other social media accounts as well, but we are currently focused on YouTube. Then you just need to come over here and find out the YouTube username, right? So let's go over to Brainy Dose and in here, this is their YouTube name, right? So let's copy this. And let's go back and in here, let's paste this. Once done, I'll click on this search icon. And if you scroll over here, you can see the kind of earnings that they make, right? Their monthly earning is $216 to 3.5K. So you can imagine the kind of money they are making just by uploading 1 video a week, right? So now that we have found out a channel that actually works within a niche, no matter whatever niche you have, you can actually find out a channel. And then if you want to list out similar channels, all that you need to do is install a Chrome extension called Viewstats. Again, absolutely free to do, right? Now, as soon as you install it, you can find it over here and you would find it on your YouTube as well. On your YouTube home, you can see from here Viewstats profile, right? You can just click on that. And in here, as you can see, the Viewstat extension is actually bringing in results from here. You can see it gets a ton of views and the estimated revenue is again 2.1K to 5.8K. So you can understand it is a consistent data that we are getting. Now in here, what we are interested in is this one called similar channels. Just click on that. And from here, you can find all the other channels which are similar to this on this niche. You can see over here. So this gives you an endless potential of replicating actually working videos. You can actually find out 10 to 20 channels. That's enough for you for a lifetime, right? 20 channels on a niche which are popular. You can actually keep a track of them and then you need to copy successful videos. Now, how to find successful videos, right? So that's going to be our next step. So for that, we are going to go over to the channel that we have discovered, which is Brainy Dose, right? And in here, you just need to scroll down over here. And you can see over here a couple of things. Let me point out. You can see 2 things over here. You can see this. There is a VPH and then there is this red thing over here which shows the performance of this video. This is called outlier score. This comes from VidIQ. And then again, the views per hour indicate how much view it is getting so that you can understand whether the video is relevant till date or it has a historical data, right? So as you can see, these are relevant and this one 21 VPH is quite great and the outlier score is 100. 100x. That means when compared to other videos of this channel, this video has received 100 times more views. So this is definitely going to work for us as well. So we have actually found out the niche, we have figured out the channel, and now we have figured out the video that we need to actually replicate, right? And for this, all that we used was all free tools. Number 1, Social Blade. Number 2, Viewstats. And number 3 is VidIQ, which you can also get started for free. But then to use VidIQ properly, you may need a subscription. I myself have got subscription to VidIQ, and you need to have subscription to find this outlier score. Otherwise, it won't be visible on the free plan, right? So if you are serious about this, then I would suggest to get inside of a paid plan of VidIQ, and it takes only about $20 a month, which is quite inexpensive if you consider the value that you get for it, right? So that being said, you can get started with VidIQ from the link below as well, and you can start off for free as well. So that's the first part of our video done and dusted. That is, we have identified everything. Now we are going to head over to our second part, which is replicating the video, right? So again, this would be further divided into sub steps. Don't worry. So let's go inside of this video over here. And as you can see over here, the video has started, right? So now if we go ahead, you can see that this is a complete faceless video, right? All of this stock media has been used, and the voiceover is there, and the captions are there. So we just need to actually replicate the same thing, right? So the first thing that we need is a script for this video. We are not going to reinvent the wheel. We have found out something that works. So what we are going to do is that we are going to actually find out the transcript of this video. So for that, we can again use another Chrome extension for absolutely free of cost. As you can see over here, this is installed over here. This is called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude, right? You can install it for absolutely free from the Chrome store. And then once you have installed it, you can find it coming over like this, right? All that you need to do is click on this and this will open up. So there you go. There is the transcript that we have. So what we can do now is that we can copy the entire transcript just like this by selecting everything, right? Just go ahead over here and hit on Control C. Now that we have done it, we will go over and use another free tool, AI tool obviously, called ChatGPT. I guess you are all aware of this, right? So now on ChatGPT, all that we need to do is we need to give it an instruction to remodify it a little bit so that we don't get any copyright thing, right? So just let us give it a simple prompt. So I've given a prompt like, I'm supplying you with a video transcript. Can you please create me a script from the transcript so that I can use it for a new video? Just include the script and nothing else, right? So that's what I had said it. So now I'm going to supply it with the transcript. So once done, I'm going to hit on enter. And as you can see, it is actually creating the script over here. So let's wait. So as you can see, it has been done over here, right? And this is the video script that we are going to use. So now all that you need to do over here is that you need to copy this script over here. And then we can open up a notepad. And in here, we can paste the script over here. And in here, just make sure that this brackets doesn't appear, right? So let's quickly change this. And also make sure that you have this personalization over here. Just add your channel name. So now this is done. So let's copy this. And now we are actually going to head over to our final AI tools. And this tool is called InVideo AI. There is a great news for you is that InVideo AI has upgraded to its version 3.0, which gives you a ton of built-in workflows with which you can create anything and everything. You can create this kind of videos using InVideo AI in two ways. The number one is the way I showed you, that is creating the script. And the other way around is that you can directly enter the prompt over here. Like you can create a video of 5-minute duration regarding 18 psychological tricks. Just for an example, right? You can give it over here and you can get a video as well. So that is the shorter way around. And this one that I'm showing you is the exact way to replicate any successful video, right? So the choice is again yours. That being said, in here, as you can see over here, you can just come over here and click on explore all flows. And from here, you have a thing called script to AI video, as you can see, right? So in here, you can do it for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, as you can see. And you can see over here, it can create 5-minute video for YouTube. Now, you can actually change the minute. You can create up to 20 minutes long videos, anywhere from 1 to 20, right? So I'm going to keep it as 5 minutes, and then I'm going to select the platform, that is YouTube, and then using this exact script, right? So in here, we are going to paste the script. Then in here, you can add relevant information about this video. So in here, we are going to actually give the title of the video. This actually allows the AI to understand your video in a better way. Then you can come over here on the settings and use a few things. Like in here, you can see what kind of media it would use. So I'm going to use stock media, right? Then you can add a background music if you wish to, and then you can have the music kind as well. So let it be energetic, just for an example. And then you can choose the language in which you want the video to be in. You can see it supports plenty of languages. So we are going to choose English for this example. Then we are going to add captions. You can find different style of captions over here as well. So we are going to select the Hermosi style, right? Then on the voice actors, you can choose different kind of voices, right? You can use a male or a female voice, or even you can use cloned voice. As you can see over here, my voice is available. So I can actually use any of my voice over here, right? And then I can choose the speaker as well. If there are multiple speaker on my video, then I can choose one voice for each of the speaker. Now, this is a very important part, because if you want to monetize your channel, make sure that you use a clone voice or a premium voice, so that not everybody is using it. Otherwise, you might land into a little trouble while monetizing, right? So this is one expert tip that I wanted to share with you. So now that we have selected everything, let's hit on the continue. And it has created this script for us, as you can see over here, right? So it has given all the instruction, and then in here it has given the entire script, right? So now we can just go over and hit on generate a video. So as you can see, it has come up with the summary of the script, and in here you need to choose which kind of media you want. Now for generative media, it will use AI to generate media for you, but it is expensive, right? So I would suggest to go for the stock media. And then in here, you can choose your audience, psychology enthusiast or self-improvement seeker, depending on which kind of audience you are doing the video for. So let's select the self-improvement seekers, right? And then the look and feel, again, inspirational is good. The platform is YouTube. Again, this is quite good. So let's go ahead and click on continue. Now, as you can see, it has come up with the video. So let's play this for a few seconds and let's see how it sounds like.
Welcome to NKR Academy. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of human behavior with 18 psychological tips on how to read anyone instantly. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time or simply want to understand people better, these clues will help you decode what they're really thinking and feeling. Let's start from the top, literally. One of the most revealing aspects of a person is their eye contact.
You can see that, right? The kind of quality, it sounds like natural human. Nobody can tell it that it has been created via AI. So that's the kind of quality that it has, and that's the feature of voice cloning. It almost sounded like me itself. Now, you also have this InVideo AI Genie, by which you can actually leverage AI to create video edit effects. Say, for example, I want to change the voiceover to a female voiceover. Let's do that. So I have told it to change it to a female voiceover with a deep voice, right? And let's hit on generate. Now, in the same way, you can go ahead and change the caption styles. You can change the scenes. You can do whatever edit you want to by just typing in as well. So that's the kind of power that InVideo gives you. Now, as you can see, there is a little done and there is a little tick, which suggests that the change has been done. So let's go ahead and actually this is refreshing. So now let's play this.
Possibly indicating they might be lying. Keep these things in mind next time you're talking to someone. Another part of the face that gives away emotions is the eyebrows. There are three main emotions that cause...
You can see that how linked the clips are. When they are talking about eyebrows, there's somebody who is actually making their eyebrows. So you can understand the kind of quality of video that it can produce without any kind of edits. Now, if you want to edit, you can also go ahead over here and click on edit. And from here, you can actually go ahead and change any and every visuals that you wish to. You can even add a music. You can add a script as well. You can make changes to the script, all that you want to. Even if you want to change the style of captions, you can come over here and say, for example, I want to make it a karaoke, and click on save changes, and you would see that the changes would happen over here. So as you can see, it is saving the changes, and once this is done, I'm going to show you how the change looks like. And as you can see, it has been already added. So now let's play this
raised eyebrows,
and check
surprise,
this out,
worry,
right?
And fear.
You can see the captions have changed. So in this way, you can go ahead and change any and everything. Now let's play a part of it and let's
But how they
listen.
say it that matters. This is called paralanguage. Things like tone, pitch, and manner of speaking. A monotone response might signal disinterest, while sarcasm often means the opposite of what's being said. Pay attention to how words are delivered to understand.
You can see that it is quite a great video to have. Now, once this is all done, once you're happy with all the edits, you can export the video, and then you can actually go over to another tool called VidIQ. And from VidIQ, what you can do is that you can go over to keywords, and from here, you can research the keyword on which you want to create the video. This is our main topic over here. So I've inputted that, and let's hit on enter. And as you can see, it has a search volume over here, but the magic happens when we go over to related keywords, right? In here, you can find related keywords, and here you can see keywords that are having huge search volumes, right? So you can leverage these search volume words to actually use them as tags, and then you can upload your video, and that can give you a huge boost in terms of YouTube SEO, right? So how to do that? You just need to come over to related keywords, and from here you just need to sort this on search volume like this, right? And in here you can find the related keywords like body language. Then here you go, self-improvement is one of them, right? Psychology is one of them, communication skills is one of them, body language analysis is one of them. Now in this way, psychology tricks is one of them. Now in this way you can go ahead and actually search for other keywords as well, and once you are done, you just need to hit on copy, and boom, it would be copied right on your clipboard. Now all that you need to do is come over to a notepad, and in here you need to paste them, right, so that you can get those tags. Now there is another way of creating tags as well. You can go over to this tool called rapid tags, and in here you can give your video title to find out tags. So you just need to enter your title over here and hit on enter, and it gives you the tags, right? So these are the ways in which you can generate tags. And then you can also use ChatGPT as well to create description, tags, and hashtags. So just write a prompt like create description, tags, and hashtag for the above video. Now on the top of it, we already have the script, right? So ChatGPT knows exactly which video we are talking about, and then it can go ahead and create this description, tags, and hashtags so that you can upload the video in a breeze. Now once this is done, you can see over here InVideo has completed processing it. Now we can go over here and click on download, and in here we just need to click on download video, and from here we can choose 1080p, and we need to choose this no watermark. Now remember, if you are using InVideo AI for free, there would be a watermark. So if you are serious about this, then I would suggest you to get inside of InVideo, because it costs you only $20 a month and you can create amazing videos with it. Now to get started with InVideo, you can find the link below in the description. Get started with that. I'm going to give you some amazing bonuses as well. Just let me know on my email ID, which you can find again on the description, and we are going to help you to get started as well. So that being said, once this is done, you just need to click on continue, and boom, it will actually export the video for you. So now that we have got almost everything in readiness, like we have got the video, we have got the description, we have got the tags, the hashtags, and everything, one thing is missing, which is the thumbnail. So for the thumbnail, we would again go over to another tool which is called Leonardo AI. Again, you can start off for free of cost with Leonardo AI by clicking the link below in the description. It allows you 150 tokens for free usage every day, right? And in here, all that you need to do is come over to Google, and on Google just submit the title of your video and hit on enter. And from here, select images, right? So these are going to give you images that are already working, right? You can see over here, these are all the thumbnails that are already working. So what you can do is that you can go ahead and copy any of these that you find quite good. Say for example, this one is quite good. So you can go over here and click on save image. Now give it whatever name you wish to, doesn't matter. And then go back to Leonardo, right? And in here, just go over to image creation. Make sure that you choose this Leonardo Phoenix model. And in here, you just need to click on this icon over here and click on describe with AI. Then upload the image that we had just downloaded. And as you can see, it is decoding it. That is, it is writing the prompt for us from the image that we have supplied, right? And here are the things. These things you just need to make a little change. Otherwise, you might get a copyright strike. So make sure that you change over here. Like here is how to read anyone instantly. Instead of that, you can give read anyone in 10 seconds, right? So let us give this thing, and then you can describe the things like what would be the font, what would be the color, all of that you can do it, right? Now once this is done, I'll click on generate. So you can see over here it has created 2 thumbnails, but I kind of like this one. This looks quite good, right? Now you can actually go ahead and give it a few more tries as well, and you are going to get exactly something that you like, right? I can guarantee that. So that being said, all that I needed is 19 credits. So you can imagine you can create 10 set of thumbnails just like this for absolutely free, right? So now we are done with everything. Now we are all in readiness. And by the way, this video has been downloaded.
In today's
So I'm going to actually play this once more, because you need to see that there are no watermarks whatsoever, right? So just let me play this
video, we're diving into the fascinating world of human behavior with 18 psychological tips on how to read anyone instantly. Whether you're meeting someone for the first
you can see over here, no watermark whatsoever, right? So you can actually now go ahead onto YouTube. You have the video ready, the thumbnail ready, the tags ready, the description ready, the hashtags ready, the title ready, all of that in readiness. So what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe over here, hit the like over here, share it with your friends, and then just go over to YouTube and start creating. That's the first step that you need to do. That is take action, right? And if you want these tools, just feel free to actually check out the links in the description. Now, all of these tools you can get started it for absolutely free. But if you are serious about this, I would actually suggest you to take 2 paid plans. One is of InVideo AI, definitely, because you don't want watermarks, right? That won't allow you monetization. And second thing that you need is maybe VidIQ, because VidIQ actually helps you in getting a ton of free traffic leveraging YouTube SEO. Then again, the only tool that you probably need mandatory is InVideo AI. So I would suggest you to sign up for it, and you can start for free as well. Make sure that you like the tool, and once you do that, if you are serious, get hold of any of the paid plans. So with that being said, that brings me to an end of this first episode of this series. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like and share this with all your friends. And if you have not subscribed yet, then what else I do need to do? I have uncovered everything, and I hope that you subscribe this time around. With that being said, we'll meet again with the second part of this series, which is going to come out pretty soon. Make sure that you hit the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I go live. We'll meet again with some other videos. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Cheyenne. Take care. Bye-bye.